Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe team, and today I want to share with you a very exciting feature that we just released. So right now you can build your own data pipeline and export any data from Amazon Seller Central or Advertisement Console. You just have to go to Export section, click Schedule Recurring Export, pick any data source you want, name it, leave the CSV file type, click Submit, and your recurring export function is actually being created. Now, if you want to export your data to Power BI and create custom dashboards on top of it, you just have to follow these steps.
Set up Power BI integration. You go to the Power BI integration of your selected recurring export, and you copy the Power BI integration using the dedicated button. Then you go to your Power BI report, you click on Get Data. Here from the list of connectors, you select all and scroll all the way to the bottom where you see blank query. You click Connect. Soon you will see a screen with the query editor. Here you click on Advanced Editor in the query section. You select what was inserted here by default, you delete it, and you paste what you copied before from DataDoe. Now you click Done and wait for the data to load. In case you see a warning like this, you click Edit Credentials and you select Anonymous and you click Connect. This will allow Power BI to download your data from DataDoe. When you see the data preview, you click Close and Apply and wait for Power BI to load your data into the report. Let's now create the first visual. We will create a visual which shows on a pie chart distribution of order statuses in our recent orders. For that, we will select the pie chart. Once it is added, we will make it a little larger. Now we want to see order statuses, so we look for order status. We add the order status, it is added as legend here. We want to count orders per statuses, so we look for Amazon order ID. We have this one here, and we drag and drop it to values. And we make sure that it is selected to count this thing because we have multiple order items from the same order IDs. And that's it. We've made a simple chart showing distribution of order statuses in recent orders.
If you want to try it out, go to datadoe.com. We have a 7-day free trial.